Hello mga Igan and welcome back to our channel, and as requested, here's the English version on how to reset your oil change indicator. I often see a lot of people in Yamaha NMAX group asking why is the oil indicator keep blinking on their gauge even though they already changed their oil. The simple answer to that question is that the meter or your meter panel or your panel gauge doesn't know that you already changed your oil. And the only thing that you need to do is to manually reset your oil trip meter every time that you did an oil change. There are 6 options on your panel gauge. The first is your odometer, second, trip meter 1, third, trip meter 2, fourth, battery indicator, fifth, your oil trip meter, and sixth, your V-belt trip meter. And to navigate on the 6 options, you just need to press your handlebar switch control so that you can move from one option to another. So let's do it again, and we are interested on your oil trip meter. What you just need to do again is just to press your handlebar switch control to select your oil trip meter. So let's start. V-belt trip meter, odometer, trip 1, trip 2, battery, and now your oil trip meter. Now once you already selected the oil trip meter, all you have to do is to press and hold your handlebar switch control for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and release. Now your oil trip meter will start blinking. Then what you'll need to do is press and hold again your handlebar switch control for another 5 seconds until the counter reset back to 0. And you're done. Easy peasy, my friend, right? And please take note that you have to do this every time you change the engine oil of your NMAX scooter, and every time that your oil change indicator lit up, or every time that you will change your engine oil of your motorcycle. So this is the step-by-step tutorial on how to reset your blinking oil indicator on your NMAX version 1, and this is also applicable on your NMAX version 2 after undergoing regular preventive maintenance. I hope you guys enjoy my video. If you want to see more of these videos, make sure to smash the like and subscribe button below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated on all of my upcoming videos. Thank you for your continued support, and I will see you soon.